sa balat.
Yes, ito naman matapang pero maganda. Yes, si Cheska Diaz.
Good afternoon sa inyo lahat and welcome to Channel S.
Okay. Isa naman palaban din pero maganda. Siyempre, sexy si Janine Barredo.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hello, everyone.
Okay, yes. Ito, tatatahimik mga kaibigan pero iba rin ang ganda. Si Cherry Pie Picache.
Hello, good afternoon. It's nice to be back here. Thank you.
Okay, ito na sabi ni Ray Pumali, nawawala raw ang ganda. Well, si Rochelle Barameda. Okay.
Maganda pa rin naman.
Hello. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.
Okay, yes. Ikaw naman.
Okay.
Parang na-mesmerize ka.
Oo nga, nami-mesmerize ako doon sa limang nasa.
Sa lima, no?
Okay. Sumunod naman kay Rochelle, ang baguhang, hindi naman baguhan, ano, pero ilo-launch ng action.
Kayong lahat, si Cheska, si Janine, at syempre si Alan, no? Pero hindi yun, you're welcome. Oh. Ganun daw. Hindi, alam naman natin yung issue kay Jenny at saka kay Gabby, ano? Gusto lang namin malaman kung ano ang naging reaction mo nung ang inaabuso ni Gabby si Jenny.
Well, ang masasabi ko lang, number one, actually I really don't wanna make pakialam. That's between the two of them. Feel sorry for what's happened to them. Kasi kung ako kinasal, ayoko mangyari yun sa marriage ko, di ba? Number two, never akong inabuso ni Gabby physically. Emotionally, baka pwede pa. No, but physically, he never hurt me physically.
Hindi siya inabuso, Ray. Hiniraman.
Natatandaan ko noon na... natatandaan ko noon din na inalok ka rin ni Gabby ng kasal. Ngayon ba, parang nabunutan ka ng tinig at hindi mo tinanggap yon o hindi natuloy yon?
Actually, like I said, there's a reason for everything that happens in your life. You can't question God's plan for you, you know, and I'm not bitter about that relationship. I learned kasi a lot, a lot. You know, it made me stronger. I wouldn't be as strong as I am right now if not for that relationship.
For what happened?
Siguro, yeah. So hindi naman sa pang siguro. I mean, you could say yeah, you know, but I believe it's, you know, different people, different situations. So you can't really compare na Gabby would be like this with, you know, so-and-so. So,
Tanungin natin yung apat na babae. Kung sakaling yung asawa nyo bubugbugin kayo, papayag kaya
Hindi na
kayo?
pagmamahal.
Hindi, physically. Anong gagawin
with
nyo?
the
Lalabang ba
enemy.
kayo o talagang magpapapresko din kayo tulad ni Jenny?
Si Cheska, pwede makipagbugbugan niya ng sabayan.
Nasagot na ni Ray yung sagot ko.
Parang ano?
Hindi, kasi ako,
Payag
I'm
ba
the
kayo?
type na I don't like to be naaapi. Yun ang unang-una.
A woman of the 90s yan.
Yes, and I don't like guys who treat me like, you know,
A thing.
beep. Yun, ganon. So, kasi I can say it on TV. Pero ayoko ng ganon. I really, lahat ng naging boyfriend ko, they respected me. Like, Gary respected me so much. And yun yung mga type kong guys. So, if ever yung guy na nangliligaw sa akin, tipong ganon, never mind.
Kasi nga, looks can be deceiving, Janine, di
Yeah.
ba? So, minsan hindi mo alam, papakakasalan mo, tapos o kaya... Tapos pag nag-iasawa mo na, iba na palang
Totoong
dating.
kulay.
Oo, tama. Maraming mga ganun ngayon, ano? That's why you have to make sure first before you get into a relationship, especially kung marriage.
If you're in a situation kagaya ni Gabby, anong...
Kung magpapapress ko na ko?
Papabugbog ka rin ba? O pause, papapress ko na?
O, papuputol mo na lang.
Hindi, I'll just leave the guy.
Ang
Yung
relasyon.
kasal.
Relasyon.
Relasyon.
Oh, yes.
Bobbit.
Yes, Jenny, okay ka
Okay ka
na.
lang dyan.
Hindi.
Go ahead.
Anong
No,
gagawin?
iiwanan ko lang siya, but I don't think na I'll ever get into that situation na bubugbugin ako ng lalaki or what. I don't think so.
Hindi papayag. Si Cherry Pie, kaya napaka-sweet nitong Cherry Pie.
Oh, sweet as pie.
No, for me, I still believe it's a case-to-case basis, especially if you're in a marriage and if you really love the person. That's precisely why you marry the person, you love the person. So I believe it's really a case-to-case basis. Pero kung nangyari sa akin what happened with them, it's sad. It has to turn out that way. Pero kung sa akin, kasi I'm a private person so sa akin pag domestic problem, sa amin na muna.
Within the...
Yeah, within the...
Said to me that
Who said?
I'm not her type.
Rufal.
But I find both of them very pretty, of course.
Okay.
Mayroon akong question kay, kay Rochelle. Kasi nung nagkaroon ng parang controversy between her and Richard Gomez, parang...
Cheska Diaz, Janine, me, Alancia, directed by Cecil at Castillo.
Okay, yes, Cheska.
Yes, don't forget to